Col.Jack Mucunguzi kandi yagamba hanke nkunzi yabenzi manziranganwa kandi omukozi abana be bamugamba honko muntu wembabazi nyingi wabatetize munonga kandi utarubarga mu magara
akari umuntu n'utinga yego umuntu ukunda abana bazire n'abana abazirwe nabo icyo tukaba abana buri mpaka ejo byafa uwo muntu w'abantu bakuru akatwebendera yabomoje umukuru yakwebendera ibindi byo nito twahinyuma akakora ibyakwenda yakoraje yatwera buri kimwe cyona yaba mawe to yaba tateyitwe abazere bitu n'abakuru yaba buri kimwe cyona umukayito mpaka ejo byafa.
Being that they made sure everyone who was going back to Kampala who had come to Nairobi, he had to make sure he knew they landed, he knew they were okay. He wasn't going to rest even if it was midnight. He would make sure has so and so landed, because he was like, I don't want anyone to come to see me and something unfortunate happens. But even he himself appreciated and felt the love so much. People gave donations, contributions from everywhere. That alone also touched him, because he couldn't believe how generous people were to give. And he kept telling him that's the testament of everything they've done over the years for people.
Harriet Mucunguzi urumuko mugenzi yamugamba honko muntu warukundo mpango urkwegara hansi kandi wabere nakunda munonge ntunguka.
That this large figure that I would go with hand in hand everywhere. You know, people called us names, not names like bad names, but nicknames, spoon and sugar, cup and saucer, because we were always together. And as such, I think somehow Jack crowded me, or I let him be. And I don't regret. He was my friend.
Umuringo ngokume Harriet yashobora kukanojaka yahityo kufana chikunda government no bwarabe yajibinjirwe mukare.
It were elections, whether it was what 1,001 times more than I have had him cancel people. Mukore government, taro government etebi kujya hatebo y'umuntu. Mukore tukareto obsinge haro obsinge mukore. I'm sure in this crowd you must have heard that statement from him.
Right Reverend Sheldon Mwesgwa wiyabaye bembero mukoro gwo kushabiro mbirgo mugenzi yahigaye kayo mugenzi kubagarra mesha haranga abo kuba kwihaye cyotere wa mesha yetaho
abo kuba nabataho mutuma. That's my last message. Harriet ati okushobora kwa ukona okutari mukama ogo apretiro omushiruko owarabire mubitwiye kumire akamutungura akamusya kinse cyako akamuhereza ibintu nabande bine ogo narimo kurera
yayonzera yahiga abakristayo kugeza aho kumara bakebeza amagara gabo kubasa kujanja bendwara ikirinto
shikari abantu akanabana ngo bashangire bagine bo babiri bagimanye abantu 14 babiri batakugimanye sirimu abantu bana ngo babiri sirimu batakugimanye konka eji sampo ne abantu abakuru ngo bakira kuzoma makanisa abato babiri bataru soko tukumanye chiri point is also as a piece of advice wherever possible tugume tugeze ko kuchereza, and we've been advised many times.
Umutumwa bwe obwashoma Jeno Charles Otema Jeno Kaleba kandwanaho urukumanywa nkasari musare yagamba ha mugenzi nko mu rwano ruranganwa wabera atakwehimbisa
for a luncheon at my country home in Garuga. We had a very fruitful discussion and reflection of our past. Jack, we shall miss you as a country, a comrade, and above all, the unsung hero of this country when we needed you most.
Kandwe ona Bojeno Katumba wa Mara washoma obutuma bwo mubebenzi wihanga yamugamba nko muntu wabere nakundi yanga ari mnonga kande manzi y'abantu bashemire kwegeraho.
The 27 fighters who attacked Kabamba with me through his inspiration, of course. He was also the commander of Section 4 of the nucleus of the NRA. It is therefore sad that we have lost one of the historical and loyal cadres of the NRA. He will be remembered for his contribution to Uganda's liberation from tyranny.
Col.Jack Mucunguzi n'umuhamamanzi abirina mushanju agatandikira rutaro rwacungwira ihanga konka akayija yabingwa muchaka wanyuma yo kutera munywanwe Hannington Mugabisasi atakigendereire akaferaho akazarwa umwaka gwa 1958 kandi akafasa nde 2019 mwaka ogu aba Sky TV agenshonga ndi Martin Nebye
webale Martin Nebye